Get up and grab your stuff. We are going to the edge of the world today. The edge of the world. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
What I suggest before you leave is to download or take a screenshot of the map on the way in, because you're going to have very little to no signal at all once you get in there. I finally ended up on Forest Service Road 231, and I took it a little bit further than I wanted to, and I finally ended up at this initial location. And we are recording. I just want to see where I'm at. Basically, see if there's a better location to get. Let me do a quick circle around here. Oh, there. Looks like if I walked over there, should have walked over along that ridge right there. Maybe. Yeah, that would have did it. That would have did it. Spectacular. You got Sedona, Oak Creek. We're just going over primarily West Fork. I didn't know West Fork was that close or came up this far, to be honest with you. But that's what I like about drones. It lets you realize just how small you are and how large we think things should be, but in perspective, they're not. Drones and jet airplanes, huh? Modern technology. Bringing the world directly to you. In Google Maps, to be honest with you, I was playing with I was going to do the animated map to show you how I got here. I mean, it's easy enough to go, Google it, but the maps and Google Earth, looking at all, looking at, looking at the maps is they're so high definition currently. I mean, if you grew up with Google, you probably don't know, but the ability to look from a satellite anywhere you want to go and be like, you could see this place just as good. Pretty early in the morning. I could probably sneak out over there and zoom out. Well, try to put out a similar video to give you guys some of the beautiful scenery here in Arizona. We're at the edge of the world today. I came out early in the morning to try to get a nice lighting situation. Got up really early. Oh, there I am. Wow, see, you should see me over there. Saw a bear on the way in, a rather large bear. I was kind of under the impression that they were smaller. Apparently not. I just saw the tail end of the features leaving the road as I was driving down. And then a little further down, I saw some deer, several deer. I'll put those in. But I'm going to go down and see what's below me. Wow. Rock climbing paradise for somebody, maybe. I do a little bit of rock climbing, but by no means an expert at all. Just dabble into that art form. What I might do is I want to kind of see. So I see where I'm at, but I'm gonna come in and not waste my battery because I think there's a better location over here I can get to. I believe that's where people have been congregating in the past. Whoosh. I don't want to waste my batteries because I want to try to hike over to that other location and see if we can find something a little bit more exciting, a little bit more. I'm really talking low. It feels like you should be quiet here. I don't know, kind of. I saw deer and they were just kind of crazy. They're not making a lot of noise, talking to their friends or anything, but that bear was several miles back when I crossed the area. But I'm a little concerned that they're more available than I had been previously conscious of. So we're wasting morning light here. So I gotta get going, get moving here.
Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
Wow, wouldn't you know it? I forgot to record that entire session. But I did get some cool photography going up and over. You could see where I was located, and then as the canyon just expanded off into the distance. Really cool stuff. Edge of the world. Here we go. I'm gonna go down, like I said, on the parts you couldn't hear. I'm gonna go down toward the overlook on Oak Creek Canyon. I'm gonna go down the switchbacks, and then I'm going to make it my way down to West Fork. There's a wilderness area that we can hike into. I think it's a pay for stay type of situation, but that's okay because it's not much. It's like $11, $10 per car or something like that. But that's where we're gonna go, and maybe we'll get some more deer and wildlife on the way out. But all right, let's go to our next destination.
Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
We're just getting all kinds of wildlife today. Got a bear, got some deers, got a hawk in the sky, just like cruising. What is going on today? All kinds of wildlife. I got this mule deer. See what happens when you let kids out of the house too early? They just become desensitized to everything. He was like 10 yards away, and he was just looking at me like, "What's up, man? How you doing?" I was like, "You need to be particularly scared of predators, my man. Survive a little longer." But kids these days, you know.